1.5 kilogram chicken. Oil. Fry until the chicken turns golden brown. Tomatoes. Garlic, ginger. Add onions to the same oil. Add cumin. Add carrots. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add tomato paste. Add 2 cups of water. Add salt. Now add fried chicken. Cook 20 to 25 minutes. Oil, carrots. Add 1 tsp sugar. Add raisins. Now take out the chicken. Add water for rice. Salt. Add the soaked rice. Carrots and raisins. Add green chili. Chicken. Low flame for 5 to 10 minutes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel.